Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are good. So, on Saturday, I have given another worksheet of this chapter, that is chapter 2, Planet Earth, as homework, and I hope you have done that homework. Now, today, I will tell you the answers so that you can check or you can tell your answer or you can check your answer whether you have done it correct or not. So, the first question is the correct option. So, a piece of land surrounded by water. So, there are four options, that is island, hill, peak and valley. So, answer is island. Island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Now, the second question, the world's smallest continent is. So, there are 7 continents on earth and the smallest continent is Australia. There are 4 options, Africa, Asia, Europe and Australia. So the world's smallest continent is Australia and the world's largest continent is Asia. See, the Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. So the answer is Australia. Now, a very large body of water is called. There are 4 options, sea, ocean, lake and river. So the answer is ocean. A very large body of water is called the ocean. Okay, fourth one, various physical features found on the earth's surface. So there are 4 options, vegetation, continents, landforms and oceans. So answer is landforms. Various physical features found on the earth's surface are known as landforms. Now the fill in the blanks. First one, dash is the model of the earth. So globe is a model of the earth. Globe is a very small model of the earth. Now the second one, dash is also known as the blue planet. So our planet earth is also known as the blue planet. Why it is known as the blue planet? Because it looks blue from the space. If we look earth from space, that looks blue in color because of the water. So the answer is earth. Earth is also known as the blue planet. Now the C part, the world's largest ocean is. So there are 5 oceans and amongst the 5 oceans, Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. So answer is Pacific Ocean. The world's largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Now the fourth part, southernmost point of earth is called South Pole. So there are 2 points, northernmost point that is called North Pole and southernmost point that is called the South Pole. So answer is South Pole. Southernmost point of earth is called the South Pole. Now the fifth part, there are dash continents and dash oceans on the earth. So there are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth. Now the true and false, shape of our planet is like an apple. That is false because shape of our planet is like an orange. So that first sentence is false. That is false because the shape of the planet Earth is like an orange, not like an apple. Now second one, land covers most of the earth's surface. That is also false because water covers most of the earth's surface. So that statement is also false, wrong. Now the C part, there are 4 continents and 7 oceans. That is also false because there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. So this sentence is also wrong. Now the fourth one, mountain is a highland with a pointed peak. That is true. That mountain is a highland. It is an highland with a pointed peak. That is true. Now the last part, desert receives very heavy rainfall. That is false because desert receives very less or no rainfall. But here it is written, desert receives very heavy rainfall. That is false. Now question number 4, define. First define is island. So what is island? What is an island? A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. So an island is a piece of land that is surrounded by water from all the sides. Now plateau. What is plateau? A plateau is a broad flat land which is higher than the plains. So, what is plateau? A broad flat land which is higher than the plains. Now the glacier, a slow moving mass of ice on mountains. So what is a glacier? Glacier is a slow moving mass of ice on mountains. Now valley, the low lying area usually located between hills and mountains. So valley is an area, it's a low lying area located between hills and mountains. Now answer the following question. First question is name the 7 continents. So there are 7 continents, that is Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Africa and Antarctica. So there are total 7 continents on earth, and these are Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Africa and Antarctica. Now what is a plain? So the flat areas on earth's surface are called plains. The flat areas on the earth's surface are called plains. Now the third question, what is a globe? So a globe is a very small model of the earth. So we have done with the worksheet. So today I will send you the question answer of chapter 2. So please write down the question answer in practice notebook and learn it also. Thank you.